Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible product that I've been using non-stop for the past week, the Epson EpiqVision Flex CO-FH02. Now, before we dive in, let me tell you why this projector has stolen my heart. First off, the image quality is truly breathtaking. With a display size of up to 300-inch, you're looking at an immersive experience that's 4 times larger than a 75 flat panel. But here's the thing, what does that really mean? It means that when you're presenting or watching movies with friends and family, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, wait, isn't that just a big screen? Well, yes and no. The key difference is that this projector can deliver those huge images in virtually any light condition, and we're talking 3000 lumens of color and white brightness here. That's like having a tiny sun shining on your wall. And with its advanced 3-chip 3 LCD technology, you'll get outstanding color accuracy without any distracting rainbowing or color brightness issues. But what really sets the EpiqVision Flex apart is its compact design. This thing is sleek and lightweight, making it easy to toss into a backpack and take with you on the go. I mean, who doesn't want a projector that's as portable as a laptop? Plus, with its slim profile, it won't take up too much space in your living room or office. Now, let's talk about smart streaming capability. With Android TV at its core, this projector has all the usual suspects: Netflix, Apple TV+, Amazon Prime, Hulu, Disney+, HBO Max, and YouTube, to name a few. And if you want to stream live TV, you're good to go with apps like YouTube TV. It's like having a personal streaming assistant built right into your projector. But what I love most about this feature is how seamless it all feels. With voice search enabled through Google Assistant, you can easily find and start watching your favorite shows or movies without ever leaving the couch. And when you're done, you can just shut down the projector with a few taps on the remote. One thing that's often overlooked in reviews like this is accessibility features. I'm happy to report that the EpiqVision Flex has got you covered there too. It has built-in audio guidance for users who are blind or have low vision, and it also supports closed captions for added convenience. Finally, let me talk about energy efficiency. With its Eco Mode feature, this projector can reduce power consumption by up to 50% when not in use, which is music to my wallet. Plus, the projector comes with a built-in battery that lasts up to 4 hours on a single charge. That's enough time for a whole movie night or two. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Epson EpiqVision Flex CO-FH02. It's been a game-changer for my home entertainment setup and office presentations alike. If you're in the market for a new projector that can deliver stunning images, ease of use, and portability, look no further. Head on over to the link below to check out this amazing product at its best price. Trust me, you won't regret it.